Hey guys, this is Miss Rivas and I'm here to give you your lesson on adverbs. We will be classifying adverbs. You will be identifying 3 types of adverbs used in sentences. Most of this unit should be review material that you learned in prior grades. Remember to try your best and don't be afraid to make mistakes. The first thing I want you to write down is the definition. An adverb is a word that describes or tells more about a verb, adjective, or another adverb. The 3 types are how, when, and where. For the how an action takes place affects the meaning of a sentence and usually ends in ly. Let's look at these examples. Which sentence would you prefer? The alien ate my lunch and flew home. Or, the alien ate my lunch and quickly flew home. We would want sentence number 2. It gives us a more descriptive view in our minds about this sentence, and that's what we're looking for. The alien ate my lunch and quickly flew home. Some examples of how adverbs are quickly, nicely, quietly, softly, kindly, and happily. What you need to do is pause this video and write in your SSS packet 6 more examples of how adverbs. Let's look at practice example number 1. Cicely waited patiently for her planner to be returned. Looking at your table in your SSS packet, you've got 2 columns. You've got the how column and the verb it's modifying. In the first column, you are going to put the adverb. In the second column, you're going to write down the verb that it's modifying. So for practice example number 1, it says Cicely waited patiently for her planner to be returned. How is it happening? She waited patiently. So in that first column for practice example number 1, you're going to write down patiently. And what is patiently describing? It's describing how she waited. So you want to write down waited in column number 2. Let's look at the rest of the practice examples. Practice example number 2. Brizada excitedly told her mother about the talent show. Practice example number 3. Jackie was talking to her friend loudly in class. Practice example number 4. Fernando mumbled quietly when he was told to get to work. Practice example number 5. Carlos worked really hard on his project. Practice example number 6. Jasmine suddenly decided to read a different book for class. Practice example number 7. Mr. Klug walked away quickly when Miss Rivas asked who left the toilet seat up. And practice example number 8, Miss Rivas glared at him angrily. So what you want to do is you want to fill out your SSS packet. Like we did for the first example, you want to fill out the rest of these sentences the same way, with writing the adverb in the first column and the verb it's modifying in the second column. Remember to use adverbs when you write a sentence. Using adverbs will give the reader more detail. Added detail means more interesting sentences and greater meaning. And as you can see from the look on our little guy's face, he seems very interested when you write more descriptive sentences. So that's the end of this portion of the unit. Go ahead and pause this video, finish up your SSS packet, and then move on to the next video.